What's up, everybody? Bucket here, Bucket's World of Vegas, doing another room walkthrough tour, this time of a one-bedroom terrace suite at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. Let's go into the room, let's check it out. So this is room 5681 in the Boulevard Tower at Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. Right when you walk in to the right, there is a connecting door. You actually can book this as a two-bedroom suite with the room on the other side of that door being a wraparound terrace suite. You can't book it online. You do have to book that direct with the resort. The lighting controls, you've got a hello, relax, and goodbye. Hello is when you first get in here. Relax kind of mutes the lights or tones them down a little bit. Goodbye is obviously when you leave. But it is a one-bedroom. This is your living area, which is very well put together. Nice sectional couch. 65-inch big screen, which would be perfect for watching football games or any kind of sporting event, if that's what you want to do while you're in Vegas. That's my wife's stuff right there. This is your little wet bar area. Obviously, it's got all your snacks and drinks and things of that nature that if you touch them or remove them, you will be immediately charged. But one of my favorite things about Cosmo is that it also provides you your own separate refrigerator so that you can store your own stuff in there. A lot of resorts don't do that, and they'll actually charge you if you put your own stuff in that mini bar. So the room is also controlled by a tablet. You can control the lighting in here. You can control the air conditioning. You can order room service, things like that, all from the push of a button. So over here, heading towards the bedroom, got a nice full-length mirror. I'm sure y'all recognize that shirt. I wear it a lot. It's my favorite shirt. It's my lucky shirt. I always wear it on the first day in Vegas. Obviously, you've got your double closets with plenty of space. Got your robes. And in the closet just to the right of it, got some shelves. That's where you're gonna find your safe, your ironing board, your iron. And then the bathroom. The bathroom is kind of one of the reasons that this is a unique room, because I believe this is the only room type of the standard rooms that has one particular feature. It's got your double vanities, an independent water closet, which I love. And I love that wall vinyl. Like up close, you can't really tell that it's a silhouette, but from afar you can. And just like the wraparound terrace suites, it does have its own independent exhaust fan, which comes in handy for obvious reasons. And I love the lighting in here. It is not bright. So you get up in the middle of the night and you gotta go to the bathroom. That light's not gonna do a whole lot to wake you up. But this is the feature that is really only available in the one-bedroom terrace suites. But the shower, not only is it massive, but it also connects to a Japanese soaking tub with a window right out to the strip, which we'll get out there in just a second. Very nice. And Cosmo has some quality soaps and shampoos and things like that. Overall, I think it's become one of our favorite resorts, and we plan on staying here more often. King size bed. In this room, I believe that's a 50-inch. And that Japanese soaking tub also opens up straight into the bedroom, which I'm not real sure what the benefit of that is, but it does have a privacy screen that you can roll down. And just so you're aware, it is a one-bedroom, and it does have a door that can be closed that completely turns this into its own independent bedroom. Maybe you've got some guests that maybe sleeping on the couch. But as always, with most of the rooms. Oh, they also have reading lights on the bedside or on the headboard. Those come in handy if you're the type that likes to read before you go to sleep. But the star of the show, just like most every other room at Cosmo, is the balcony and the view from. We are on the 58th floor in the Boulevard Tower, and a strip view, and you can see for miles, as you'll see here momentarily. It's got plenty of seating. It does have an ashtray for those of y'all that like to smoke. Maybe you like to smoke when you're drinking. It's a good sized balcony, plenty of room, and the view, as always, from Cosmo is unmatched. And I don't know how well you can pick it up on video, but man, you can see for miles past Mandalay Bay there. And if you look straight down, right over the Boulevard pool, and stand by, and I'll at the end of the video I'll put some footage of this at night just so you can see how it looks with everything lit up. But overall, another fantastic room here at Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. Couldn't ask for better accommodations in our opinion. So if you're thinking about booking one, it's worth the money. And as promised, the view from room 5681 at the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. Absolutely worth the extra money. Highly recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, drop a subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the room. Thanks for watching.